Hello and welcome to another dashcam video from Adventures with TCS. My name is Tom and today be right along with me as I drive west on I-80. But first of all, I can tell you how excited I am to share with you these videos from my 2022 trip to Western Nevada and far Eastern California. I hope you guys will enjoy it right along with me, and if you do, I'd always appreciate a like or a comment to encourage me as I try to travel down all the best highways that America has to offer. So today's part of this trip, we'll continue our way west in Wyoming as we drive from Rock Springs to Little America. Along the way, we'll drive through Rock Springs as well as Green River, which of course will include the Green River Tunnel. Also, don't forget that included in this video are of course lots of fun facts about our route and Wyoming, as well as a trivia question. The trip this video is from will feature a little bit of everything as we travel to some new and familiar places, including lonely US 50 in Nevada, the scenic $1 Million Highway in Colorado, beautiful Bryce, Canyonlands, and Zion National Parks, and of course hundreds of scenic miles of my favorite states of Utah and Colorado. If you're new here today, I hope this video earns me your subscription so you continue joining me on my adventures. New videos we post here every couple of days, and if you missed any of the ones before this one, you can always catch up by clicking the playlist link in the description. Also, I know it may be a little overwhelming to catch up on the hundreds of interstate and highway dashcam videos I've posted, so I've created a best of the best playlist, link in the description, of what I think are great drives to get caught up on. If you think I missed a video that should be included, let me know in the comments. Lastly, the video description also has a ton of information that is helpful, like what's upcoming on this trip, my social links, and also ways to help make more videos like these possible. So make sure to check it out. Also, if you like this video and similar content, please help me out by giving it a like or sharing it with someone. It really helps me grow my channel and allows more people to enjoy this content. Now that is all taken care of, I'm going to keep driving west on I-80 in the great state of Wyoming. Well, that's it for this video, and thanks so much for watching until the end. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please help me out by clicking that like button and maybe sharing it with a friend. In the next video from this amazing trip, we'll continue our westward trek on I-80 in the state of Wyoming, so make sure you're subscribed so you can join me on that adventure. But for now, thanks again for watching, and until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.